I am so excited to introduce this next addition to the Light Elegance family, and that is the Blink Dual Forms. I can't even tell you what an innovation this little bugger is. These are reusable forms. When you're done, you pop the dual form off and you have a fully created nail enhancement. Using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes, cleanse the natural nails thoroughly. LE Pro Cuticle Pusher. Push back the keratinized proximal nail fold with LE Pro Cuticle Pusher and remove cuticle tissue from the nail plate. LE Perfect File. Prep the natural nails with a very light touch using a 100 grit LE Perfect File. Cleanse using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes to remove all dust and debris from the nails. Power Bond. Apply Power Bond to the natural nails in a thin, even layer. Cap the free edge. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Pre-measure and make any adjustments to fit the BLINKForms to the natural nail. Lexi Baby Pink Builder Gel. Number 4, Oval. Flip the BLINKForm over and apply an even coat of Lexi Line Builder Gel in Baby Pink, following the guides to achieve cohesive length nails. Place the base of the BLINKForm near the cuticle area of the nail plate and gently rock it down onto the nail, allowing the Lexi Line Builder Gel to slowly make contact with the natural nail. While holding the form, flash cure using a flash dot curing lamp for 10 seconds. Flip the nail upside down and use a gel brush to smooth out the underside of the free edge before the final cure. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Pinch and pop forms off the nails. 100/180 grit finish file. File the sidewalls, lower arches, and shape the nail using the 100/180 grit finish file. Cleanse using LE Pro Cleanser and Ellie Pro Cleansing White. The BLINKForm nails are now ready for decoration. Have fun!